Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
What's up, man?
This is Robert Downey Jr.
Asking until they get the answer and they don't want to ask anymore.
Dude.
Tell me, so do you drink?
Not anymore.
Dude.
Clean sober, many years.
And part of the reason I wanted to have you on the show is
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're
recorded, you know, that's the thing about it. Yeah.
I hope so.
they don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Rooms. They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers.
Share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
It is the inability to stay focused. And you have disinhibition.
I heard that you are also, I can assure you.
Intuition are off the
So the freaking caps. My view is a bit to the theta or the show, which is the reality.
I wish you would.
kind of create a little equilibrium.
Or the beta to the.
Do it all.
I have five suede.
I feel you
Let me ask the question.
A psychological approach.
You remember you have idealism or animism, implement a